Hi, Curt. My name's Corey. Abby told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how to get some better rankings and bring in more quality traffic to your site. So, running through your site real quick, the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Really looking at your site, being in a position, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. I would bring your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, plus all these images right here, what they're saved as. It's all content. Google sees that. You got Indianapolis Heating and Cooling, service, Bolls Heating. I would just stick one keyword in there. That'll just help with your rankings as well, and keep that one for the logo up in the logo section here. I do like your little call out right here. Pretty easy to navigate there. Anyway, kind of moving on here. I'm going to go inside of Google and type in heater repair Indianapolis. Now, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the very top. They came up with these to replace these old school ads. A lot of people have been going away with these ads because they've been very spammy. I don't know if you're running ads on here. I'll see here in just a minute. But these Google guarantees are supposed to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. A lot of people have been doing ad blockers as well. I know that ads get really pricey at the end of the day. Just imagine, getting, 30, 40, 50 bucks a click. Nobody's buying those services. You're getting, a couple of those every day. They do add up at the end of the month. Underneath the ads, we have this little map here. Really, to get the rankings in this section is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go in and go get those same citations your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking them. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. And right here, this is really comes down to having all that content on your website being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. This is also the first page of Google, so it's anyway. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, if I go in and take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. Looks like you started this thing back in 2013. You got 85 referring domains, which is pushing back 999 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 7,000 backlinks. You're getting 300 clicks, or excuse me, you're getting 300 keywords you're being found for. This PPC stands for pay per click. So in all total, you're getting about 69 clicks to your site every month. We can actually come in and we can really come in and see where these clicks are actually coming from with those 69 clicks. So this tells you your position that you have with each keywords, also the amount of clicks per keyword as well. I kind of giving you a couple examples here. Heating and cooling Indianapolis, that's a keyword there. There's 150 clicks for that keyword, your 8th position. So you're getting 5 clicks out of the 150. Realistically, you should be, I like to be about 15-20% of the volume of clicks. So you got 69 clicks. I mean, really, what would an extra 100-150 clicks do for you with a quality business? Like Indianapolis Heating and Air, 30 clicks every month, 7th position. You're getting only 1 click out of there. Really coming in and finding these keywords to pump enough power. Giving you a quick example here. This is Williams Comfort and Air. If I stick them inside of Ahrefs, they got furnace repair Indianapolis. So there's 100 clicks every month. First position, they're getting 36 clicks out of the 100. Heating repair Indianapolis, first position, they're getting 10 clicks out of the 30 for that one keyword. So really coming in and finding all these keywords and making sure that you're pumping enough power so that way you can land in these top sections, top positions with each keyword. So that way you are getting a decent amount of traffic for each keyword as well. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I think that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve. I'd love to put a free custom game plan together for you, or at least give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.